Good afternoon and welcome. I'm Pooja Shali. There's a big controversy over the draft of Uttar Pradesh's proposed population control bill. This for bill as 2021. The draft focusing on 2 children, providing incentives to people who will help in population control, have only 1 child, go for sterilization, will also get welfare schemes benefits. Opposition, however, including the Congress party, is fuming. This over the draft, and they've called it an election gimmick as Uttar Pradesh is set to brace elections. Take a look at this report.
हम दो हमारे दो. It's a common slogan used for creating awareness on population control. But the UP government has taken a step further by drafting a bill to control population for the state based on that motto, and with only months left for the state polls. The UP State Law Commission in its draft focuses on having 2 children and provides incentives for people who help in controlling the population. The draft further states that those having more than 2 children will not be allowed to apply for government jobs, and those who are already inducted won't get promotions. In addition to that, it bars people from contesting elections and does not provide any relaxations in case of polyandry or polygamy. The contentious draft has been uploaded on the official website of State Law Commission for seeking public opinion by July 19th.
जो भी व्यक्ति जनसंख्या नीति का पालन करेगा उसको तमाम प्रकार की प्रोत्साहन दिए जाएंगे. बच्चों की शिक्षा, चिकित्सा ये सब निःशुल्क होगा और भी बहुत सी सुविधाएं हैं जो हम इसमें देने जा रहे हैं.
While the Yogi government claims that the model will be followed by many, opposition claims it's a gimmick to hide government's failure in providing jobs.
उत्तर प्रदेश राष्ट्र का हिस्सा है और राष्ट्र का हिस्सा है तो जब राज्य में कुछ होता है तो देश की दृष्टि से भी फायदेमंद होता है और आगे दूसरे राज्य भी उस प्रकार के कार्य करते हैं जिससे कि जनसंख्या जो बढ़ती हुई जनसंख्या है उसको नियंत्रित किया जा सके.
आपका जो कर्तव्य है शिक्षा, स्वास्थ्य, रोजगार देना वो आप दे नहीं पा रहे हैं और उल्टे डिबेट को अब आप जनसंख्या के उस पर ले जा रहे हैं.
The opposition has also questioned the way in which the bill has been drafted.
कौन-कौन लोग इस प्रक्रिया में इन्वॉल्व हुए, उसमें कितने डेमोग्राफर थे, कैसे आपने डिकेडल रेट ऑफ ग्रोथ को देखा है, ये सारी चीजें हैं. ये उन्हें समझ में नहीं आएगी जिनका दर्शन मठ का है.
Those with 1 or 2 children must follow the rule, another norm of vasectomy, sterilization, as mentioned in this entire law. Though it hasn't been turned into an act, and it may take around 1 year to convert it into an act, the entire draft is being uploaded in the website of UP Commission Law, and changes and advices from the public are welcome till July 19, 2021. Samar Srivastav reporting from Lucknow for India Today.
So why is this such a big controversy? This Uttar Pradesh population control bill is going to have different categories, and we are expecting perhaps some announcement. You can take a look at the visuals there on your screen. We're waiting for Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath, to start speaking anytime soon. But remember, today is basically the World Population Day. So there are different awareness programs that are being conducted across the country, referring to the population control measures to ensure that smaller families do get the benefits. However, why Uttar Pradesh is in news this time is because Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister has said that for now, a proposed bill, which if approved then goes ahead to become an act, a law, and what happens then is if there are families with 2 children or more than 2 children, will not get a government job, will not be the recipients of the welfare schemes of the government as well, and maximum incentives will be given to those with 1 kid or perhaps going for sterilization.